Excuse me, is this the line for check-in?
Yes, this is the right place. Which flight are you on?
I am flying to Rome today.
Great. Can I see your passport, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in.
And do you also have a carry-on bag?
Yes, just this small backpack.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay, I'm putting it on now. Ugh.
Perfect. Your bag is within the weight limit.
That's a relief. I was worried it might be too heavy.
No problem at all. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I think I'd like a window seat, please.
Window seat confirmed. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you so much. What time does the flight board?
Boarding starts at 11:30 a.m. and the gate is number 15.
Gate 15. Got it. Do I go through security now?
Yes, please go straight ahead and follow the signs.
And, can I take a bottle of water with me?
Sorry, no liquids over 100 milliliters. You can buy water after security.
All right. I'll finish this one before I go.
That's a good idea. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight to Rome.
Thank you. I will. Excuse me, can I still choose my seat for this flight?
Yes, of course. Would you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
I think I'd like a window seat, please.
A window seat is available. Do you want one near the front or toward the back?
Near the front would be nice. I don't like waiting too long when leaving the plane.
That makes sense. I'll give you a window seat close to the front.
Perfect. Thank you.
Do you need extra legroom?
No. I think I'll be fine. It's only a short flight.
All right. Here is your boarding pass with your seat number.
Great. Let me check. Seat 8A. That looks good.
Yes, it's a comfortable spot. Boarding starts at 11:30 a.m. at gate 15.
Got it. Do I just follow the signs to the gate?
Exactly. Just keep walking straight and you'll see the signs clearly.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
I will. Thanks again. Excuse me, is this the right way to the check-in counters?
Yes, you're very close. Just walk a little further and you'll see them on the right.
Oh, thank you. I always get a bit lost in big airports.
Don't worry. It happens to many people. Which flight are you taking?
I'm going to Berlin this afternoon.
Then you should also check the departures board to confirm your gate.
Where can I find the board?
It's right behind you.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Thanks for pointing it out.
You're welcome. Does it show your flight as on time?
Let me see. Yes, it says Berlin, Gate A7, on time. Whew, that's good.
Excellent. Do you know how to get to gate A7 from here?
Not really. Could you please tell me?
Sure. Go straight ahead, then turn left. You'll see the signs.
Perfect. That sounds easy enough.
Yes, it's not far. You should reach it in about 5 minutes.
Thank you very much for your help.
Anytime. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. I'll try not to get lost again.
Excuse me, is this the security line for international flights?
Yes, this is the correct line. Do you have your boarding pass and passport ready?
Yes, I have them here. What should I do first?
Please place your suitcase and backpack on the belt. Also, put any liquids in the tray.
I see. Do I need to take off my watch?
Yes, please put it in the tray as well.
And my jacket? Can I keep it on?
No, you need to take it off. Jackets must go through the scanner.
All right. I always forget these rules.
That's normal. Do you have a laptop in your bag?
Yes. Should I take it out?
Exactly. Place it in a separate tray.
Okay. I'll do that now. What about my water bottle?
Sorry, you cannot take water through security. Please empty it or throw it away.
I just bought it.
You can buy another bottle after security near the gates.
Fine. I'll finish it quickly. There. Done.
Perfect. Now walk through the scanner when it's your turn.
Will the scanner beep if I forget something?
Yes, but if you follow the steps, you'll be fine.
I hope so. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Have a smooth flight.
Thanks. I feel more prepared now.
Finally, we're at the gate. What time does the flight board?
Boarding starts at 11:30 a.m. We still have some time.
Ah, good. My legs are tired from walking.
Airports are like that. Do you want to sit down for a while?
Yes, let's sit. Do we have enough time for a snack?
Let me check the clock. It's just 11 now. We have about 30 minutes.
Perfect. I could use a coffee.
There's a cafe near Gate 5. It's not far from here.
Do you think the line will be long?
Maybe a little, but we should still make it back in time.
Okay. I'll grab a sandwich too. Airplane food is never enough for me.
True. It's always small portions.
Should we both go or one of us stay here?
Let's both go. We can be back in 10 minutes.
All right. I'll keep my boarding pass in my pocket, just in case.
Good idea. Let's head to the cafe now.
Look, they just announced boarding for our flight.
Yes, I heard. They're calling passengers with seats from 1 to 15 first.
My seat number is 24A.
Mine is 24B. That means we'll board in the next group.
Waiting again. At least we're sitting together.
True, it makes the flight feel shorter.
Oh, they're calling our row now. Shall we get in line?
Yes, let's go. Do you have your boarding pass ready?
Yes, it's in my hand.
Great. Here comes the attendant.
Hello, here's my boarding pass.
And here is mine.
Do we go straight through this door?
Yes, just follow the signs.
Finally, we're inside the plane. Where are our seats?
Row 24 should be near the middle. Look, there's 24A and 24B.
Perfect. I'll take the window seat.
And I'll sit on the aisle. Can you put your bag in the overhead bin?
Yes, let me lift it up. Ugh. Okay, it fits.
Nice. I'll keep my bag under the seat in front of me.
Good idea. I'm glad we made it on time.
Yes, now we can relax until takeoff.
The plane is finally in the air.
Yes, smooth takeoff. Are you comfortable in your seat?
Mm, it's a bit tight, but not too bad. I could use some water, though.
You can press the button and ask the flight attendant.
Good idea. Excuse me, may I have a glass of water, please?
Here you are, sir.
Thank you very much. Ha, that feels better.
Are they serving snacks too?
Let's ask. Excuse me, do you have any snacks?
Yes, we have cookies or pretzels. Which would you like?
Cookies, please.
And for you?
I'll take pretzels, thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Airplane food may be small, but I like these little snacks.
Same here. Do you want to watch a movie later?
Maybe. First, I'll relax and finish my water.
Sounds good. I might listen to some music.
Ugh. It feels nice to just sit back for a while.
Yes, only 2 hours to go before we land.
Finally, we're off the plane. Where do we go now?
We need to pass through immigration first. Let's get in this line.
The line looks long, but I guess we have no choice.
Don't worry, it usually moves quickly. Do you have your passport ready?
Yes, here it is. And my arrival form, too.
Good. The officer will ask a few questions. Just answer simply.
All right, I hope I don't get nervous.
You'll be fine. Look, it's your turn now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation for 2 weeks
Where will you be staying?
at the Grand Hotel in the city center.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't.
Is this your first time visiting our country?
Yes, it is my very first visit.
All right. Everything looks good. Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
See, that wasn't so hard.
You're right. I was worried for nothing.
Now, let's go pick up our bags.
Where do we go now?
We need to follow the signs for baggage claim.
I see the sign with a suitcase symbol. Let's go that way.
Yes, that's correct. Which carousel is our flight on?
Let me check the screen. It says carousel number 4.
Great. Let's wait there.
I always feel nervous waiting for my bag.
Same here. It feels like forever sometimes.
Look, there's a red suitcase coming. That's mine.
Good. Grab it before it passes.
Got it. Ugh, wow, it's heavier than I remembered.
At least you have it. I'm still waiting for mine.
What does your bag look like?
It's a black suitcase with a ribbon on the handle.
Okay, I'll help you watch for it.
Thanks. Oh, is that it coming now?
Yes, I think so. Let me pull it off for you. Here you go.
Perfect. Thank you. Everything looks fine.
Do we have all our bags now?
Yes, one each. We're ready to head out.
Good. Let's go find transportation into the city.
Now that we have our bags, how do we get to the city center?
We have 2 options. We can take a bus or a taxi.
How much is a taxi usually?
Around $40, depending on traffic.
That's a bit expensive. What about the bus?
The airport express bus is cheaper, and it goes straight to the city.
Sounds good. Where do we buy the tickets?
At that machine over there, near the exit.
Do we need cash or can we pay by card?
You can pay by card. It's very easy.
Perfect. Let's buy 2 tickets then.
All right. Here they are. Now let's head outside.
Do you see the bus stop?
Yes, it's just outside the doors on the left.
Great. We don't have to walk far.
Look, there's a bus waiting now. Do you want to take this one?
Yes, let's hurry before it leaves.
Okay. After this ride, we'll be in the city center in about 40 minutes.
Oh, finally, we can relax and start our trip.
Yes, the holiday really begins now.